is the game I created, based on two different pollutions and how to overcome them. In this game, there will be two different characters. Allow me to show you my game. This is the heading. If you click the play button, it will change to this backdrop with two characters, as I said before. Let's choose Chloe first. It is a maze. In order to play this game, you need to use the arrow keys to move. In this game, you have to reach the tree in time. On your way, you have to collect the gardening tools. The objective of this game is to encourage students to plant trees around their schools, homes, or neighborhood. Let's see how to play. After that, there will be a display board saying congratulations, you did it. Then click back and let's go to the next game. In this game, you have to clean the lake, but first reading the instructions is important. Then drag the rubbish to the dustbin and that's it. Another display board that is the same with the other board will appear. The objective is to create awareness that polluting water can affect marine life or even the one who is drinking the polluted water. That is all from me. Bye.